Yeah. All right. All right, guys. MMT Pros coming back at you with another one. As you can see, we teamed up with the good people at SuperClean, and we're going to do an awesome giveaway for one lucky subscriber. As you can see, these are the 2 products that we will be giving away, as well as a nice SuperClean sticker, along with the SuperClean product sheet. Okay, you have the original degreaser, the foaming trigger, the all-well cleaner. You have the aerosol can, as well as the floor absorbent. So these are the products that they offer, guys, as well as it gives you the ratio charts on the back. If you don't know your ratios as far as how to mix these products, it'll be listed right here on the back. But guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you a quick demo, and all you have to do is leave a comment down below, and you will be entered to win one of these products. We got the SuperClean. We're gonna turn it on spray. Spray it on these wheels and tires. Give it a nice, good lathering of this stuff. Let's hit in the barrels. Alrighty. Got a lot running off of it already, guys. Let's tilt the camera down just a bit. We got quite a bit running off right here. Take my brush, give my brush a few sprays. Give my brush a few sprays. Go around that tire. Start hitting that wheel. Yeah, quite a bit coming off that wheel. I could have used my wheel willy from the beginning, but this wheel was heavily soiled. It was heavily soiled, guys. You know how it goes. This is like the barrel of the wheel. I can't use my wheel willy for that barrel of that wheel, but it's best to use this type of brush just until we get the initial dirt and grime out of there. And I don't have my lug brush, so we're gonna substitute. We're gonna use our little green brush and just go in there and work it around in there. Since I don't have my lug brush, it does the same thing. All right, we're gonna spray them down one last time. We're gonna roll them over and hit this back part, and then we'll be done. really good. Those lugs. And guys, the SuperClean giveaway winner will be announced within the next 7 days.